Even in a relatively mild hurricane, a sailboat in the middle of the ocean is one of the last places anybody should be. This view from a passing U.S. Coast Guard aircraft shows a badly damaged sailboat in rough seas during Hurricane Julio over 400 miles northeast of the Hawaiian island of Oahu on August 10, 2014. At the time, its sails were torn and tangled, its mast had been snapped, and it was starting to list after taking on water. The same wave that inflicted such damage on the boat also swept away its life raft. The boat was already too small to navigate such a powerful storm, but these three setbacks made its situation catastrophic, as the aircraft flying by was unable to rescue those aboard. The Coast Guard aircraft was able to alert a nearby container ship, but it was unable to arrive for another 24 hours. By the end of the ordeal, the three sailors aboard had endured the wind and the waves through daylight and darkness. The sailboat was left adrift and abandoned to the sea. The immediate hazards of a hurricane, typhoon, or cyclone are not limited to punishing winds, extreme rainfall, and flooding. In fact, they can often produce tornadoes of mild to moderate intensity that add to the hurricane's apocalyptic destruction upon making landfall. During Typhoon Soudelor, one such tornado formed on Yongchang Road in Taihan City, Taiwan, while several motorists were driving at the time. The tornado forms seemingly out of nowhere, sweeping the cars ahead of the recording vehicle seemingly into thin air, before proceeding down the destroyed landscape surrounding the road. The vehicle ahead of the one with the dash cam was swept off the road and thrown through the air. Although several people were injured, everybody involved survived. Overall, Typhoon Soudelor dumped 50 inches of rain across Taiwan and left 6 people dead as it proceeded across the island, also impacting Japan, China, and the Philippines. This video was shot from Port Fourchon, the southernmost port in the state of Louisiana, when Hurricane Ida made landfall on August 29, 2021. The port sits precariously only 1 foot above sea level. The storm surge at Port Fourchon, on the other hand, was 8.3 feet tall, backed by sustained winds of up to 150 miles per hour.